Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that Autofill is disabled. In order to enable it, hit the same No Gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!